Hello, Bliss Warriors. Natasha here, day 20, and I'm excited to be sharing some more information on this book with you that I spoke about on yesterday, The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra, a practical guide to the fulfillment of your dreams. And the first law that I'm going to share is the law, excuse me, let me take the jacket off. The law of pure potentiality. And this law states the source of all creation is pure consciousness, pure potentiality seeking expression from the unmanifest to the manifest. And when we realize that our true self is one of pure potentiality, we align with the power that manifests everything in the universe. And I thought about that and then explaining it the most simplest way that I can. Our thoughts are things, and we've heard that term before. And when we connect to the universal source, which we understand, some people call it God, Buddha, Krishna, whatever it is, it's just a matter of semantics. What you are is connected to an unlimited source. So everything that is in the universe as a thought is unmanifest. And you as a person of pure potentiality is connected to that universal source, to where anything that you want to manifest that's not manifested, you can manifest. Your thoughts, whatever you're thinking, whether it's negative or negative or whether it's positive, is based on what you're feeling inside, the energy that you're giving off. So that quote, I believe it was by Henry Ford, whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you're right. But when you're connected and you understand that you're connected to the universal source, you can manifest anything that you desire, because everything is pure potential. When the universe wanted to create the earth and the different dimensions and the different planets, it started as a thought. And I know some things like that may be too deep for people. It was too deep for me once I started studying it. But I opened my mind to it because I began to understand why I could not manifest certain things up to this point in my life. Because my thoughts were being negative. My thoughts were, I can't do it, or that's too hard, or success or wealth or abundance is only for certain people. So the thoughts that I gave out and the energy that I gave out with it, the universe just gave it back to me. It's like they talk about in The Secret. Whatever you give out, the energy that you give out, the universe picks up on that unless you change it and give it back to you. So anything that you have not manifested yet is still a potential that you can manifest. So for me, that was weight off my shoulders, a great revelation, because now what I'm doing is being more conscious about what I say to myself. And even if I say something that's negative, I catch myself. And what I do, I stay connected to that universal source through meditation, or through learning about chakra clearings, through crystals. That's my way. You have to find your way. But for me, that's helping me to open myself up to see I am more than just this physical body. I am more than just what you see. We're all that. We're all more than what we see in this dimensional realm here on this earth. We are connected to a source that allows us to create anything we want to create. It's like in that Bible scripture, God gives you the power to get wealth. And I think it's in Deuteronomy. I can't remember the chapter or the verse. Well, the operative word there is get. So that means, again, that's a source of pure potential. You have the opportunity to get whatever you want to get. So those of us who may be thinking why things aren't happening to me or why things aren't happening for me, what have you, think about your thoughts, and are you connected to the true source, which is abundance everywhere? And I think I've stated it before, you don't think about how you breathe. So obviously there's an abundance of oxygen. Birds don't worry about how they're going to eat because they know the universe provides. There's an abundance of sources for them to eat. Trees don't worry about whether or not they have enough leaves to keep them warm, so to speak. There's an abundance of leaves. The sun doesn't worry about whether or not they have an abundance of rays or what have you to warm this whole planet. It just is. So once we begin to understand and understand that we are pure potential connected to a universal source that is unlimited. Imagine what you can do. There's nothing you can't do. Oh my gosh, that's such a revelation for me. So anyway, I thank you for watching this video. I hope you've gotten something out of it, because I'm looking forward to sharing this information with you, and revelations that comes to me as I prepare to bring it to you. So until next time.